it's Valerie here, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing can you guys guess what it is? Because I've only seen a couple of these videos on YouTube so far. There's not a lot of videos on these, so I'm super excited. I actually ordered this 2 weeks ago and I am finally getting the chance to film it. Like, I was about to take my nap, but I'm like, no, you gotta film. So I got up, put my wig on, styled the wig, and did my makeup, and now I can finally film this video for you guys. So this is actually a beauty blender washing machine. So it's a washing machine for your beauty blender, but it's not really a washing machine. It's just a toy for kids that they're selling on Amazon, and people are calling it the beauty blender washing machine. There's a pink one and there's a black one, and I was asking my sister Jen, which one should I get? And she's like, oh my god, get the black. You always get pink everything. And now that I have the black and gold one, I kind of wish I had the pink one because I think pink is kind of my thing. But it's okay, I'll be different and do black and gold. Purchased this on Amazon for $7.99. You see other videos on YouTube about this washing machine. They have cute decals and everything. It doesn't come already like that. So this is the washing machine. It's literally a box. And then down here, you actually have to put batteries in there. You have to unscrew this and put batteries in here. And over here is just to drain the water out once you're done. And then it has a little hook right here, and you just hook it up, up top. And then up front you have the switch button right here. So I'm guessing to turn it on and to turn it off. And then it actually does have a washing machine lid, like it's really cool. And then inside are the decals that you keep seeing on the washing machines everywhere. So it doesn't already come with the decals on the washing machine. You literally have to put the decals on yourself. So the decals, it has this cute little girl on there right here. And then it has like the settings like a typical washing machine would have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the decals on. Apply her cute little self right here. See? So I'm gonna peel this off like this. Put this raha. So I have the washing machine already in set. So I don't have a screwdriver. I'm just gonna take a knife and I'm going to unscrew the bottom so I can put the batteries in. So yeah, this is so ghetto. It takes AA batteries, so make sure you have some AA battery. Oh no, that's AAA. Make sure you have some AA batteries at hand. So I literally got these from the dollar store. Put the batteries in there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the back in. So everything is set. I put the batteries in there and I'm just ready to go, you know? So I'm gonna take my sponge. So this is a very dirty sponge. I just used it. So this sponge has one layer of foundation, one layer of concealer, and a layer of contour and powder all over it. So this is the perfect sponge to use to test out this beauty blender washing machine. So if you guys want to see the results, then definitely keep on watching. Dun dun dun. I'm so weird. Okay, so what do I do? Okay, so when you open the beauty blender, when you open the washing machine, it literally looks like the inside of a washing machine. It has a little spin thing right here. I'm gonna take some water and I'm going to pour it in the washing machine. I don't want to put too much, so I went on ahead and put water in here, if you guys can see that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my favorite facial cleanser. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, and I'm gonna pour 2 pumps in here. 3 pumps. 3, okay. So next up, I'm gonna take the beauty blender and I'm gonna put it in here. I'm super nervous. Okay, so it's in there. It's in there real good. So I'm just gonna, I want you guys to see. So, but I don't want to spill the water. So it's in there. So I'm gonna shut the lid and I'm gonna turn it on. So it's spinning and it's shaking. Do you guys see this? It's like an actual beauty blender. Okay, it's like an actual washing machine. But mine is leaking. Oh Lord, maybe I added too much water. So this is it spinning on the inside. Okay, I'm gonna let it keep spinning still. But guys, I feel like this is a really cool invention for it being a toy for kids, and you know what I mean? For it being a toy, it's super cool. Like, you know what I mean? Kids can actually have fun with these. Where were these when I was a kid in my Barbie house? Hello? Okay, so I'm going to stop it. And then I'm gonna pick up the beauty blender. I don't feel like it got a lot of stuff out. Now the water is a bit dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and drain this. So I'm going to take my lovely, beautiful vase, whatever this is. My mom made me buy a pretty one, talking about the cups that I use in my videos are ghetto. So she right though. I'm just gonna go ahead and drain this. Oh, so this is actually draining. I'm trying to show you guys so I don't. So I'm gonna do 2 washes. I'm gonna put some water in there again. I'm gonna put a lot of water this time because to me it didn't really clean the makeup sponge that well. But it could be the facial cleanser that I'm using because this one is for people with sensitive skin, so it's not too harsh. So it's not a harsh cleanser at all, so it won't get everything out. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put 4 pumps in this time. And I'm gonna put the beauty blender back in the washing machine. I put too much water. This is gonna be a mess. So when you put too much water in there, it doesn't run. So you know. I'm gonna drain some water out. Put too much water. I'm loving my makeup. Okay. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna squeeze everything out. And I'm going to drain the water. I'd rather just wash the sponge manually. It's not even that clean. Like, it's 50% clean. I think you'd rather just do it yourself. But those of you that want to purchase this to try it out, by all means do what you want. But to me, I mean, I'm broke and I still purchased it. But if I could do this again in a different lifetime, I wouldn't buy this because I feel like it was a waste of money and I could have put $10 in for gas in my car and not have been struggling that week that I purchased this. So, oh wow, that's what you do for YouTube, to review. And to be honest, I was kind of like, I wanted to try it out, so I can't really say anything. But how would I rate this? I would rate this a 6. Like, like I said, just wash your sponge yourself. You'll get a better, for the time you spend waiting on this washing machine to wash your sponge, you might as well just, man, you could have done your eyebrows already. You know what I mean? You could have been far along in your makeup steps. So to me, this is a no, but it's a fun toy to play with. I might give it to one of my little cousins, you know? So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!